Beetroot poriyal. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon chana dal. Add half teaspoon of cumin or zira. Add 2 dried red chilies and 3 to 4 garlic clove. Add few curry leaves. Stir fry. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Add 1 cup of beetroot pieces. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on high to medium flame. Add 2 teaspoons if soaked moong dal. Mix and cook. Add 1 chopped onion. Mix onion nicely with beetroot and cook. Add salt to taste. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix them well. Add 1 glass of water. Give a quick mix. Close lid and cook till beetroot is cooked nicely. After 5 to 8 minutes, beetroot is cooked well. Add 1 teaspoon of grated coconut. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. Tasty beetroot poriyal is done. Turn off flame. Tasty and healthy beetroot poriyal is ready to serve. Do try and enjoy beetroot poriyal with roti or plain rice. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.